Hello students! I'm very glad to see you again. I hope all of you are ready to learn something very important today. In the last chapter, we understood our vibe coding toolkit that helps us do vibe coding. Then we saw how all these tools work together. We prepare and write the prompt in VS Code and send it to LM Studio. Inside LM Studio runs our AI model, that is Qwen 2.5 Coder 7B Instruct, which works and helps in creating answers. Then LM Studio sends that answer back to VS Code. We also made a demo.html file in which we write or copy paste the code that is generated by VS Code. And finally we saw that browsers show us the final result. Now students, today we are going to learn something very important about these tools. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever tried to do something on a computer and it did not work the first time? Maybe you tried to play a video, but it did not play. Maybe you were playing a game and it stopped in the middle. Or maybe you clicked a button, but nothing happened after clicking it. Sometimes this happens, right? In the same way, when we build things using AI, sometimes things may not work properly. Sometimes the AI may take time. It may not respond. Sometimes we may not see the result that we expected. Students, if this happens, should we get scared? No. Should we stop learning? No. We just need to remember that this is a completely normal thing. When this happens, we just need to stay calm, check carefully, find what the problem is, and then fix it. This process is called troubleshooting. Troubleshooting helps us continue our work even if we face some trouble with the tools. Students, this is a very important skill because when we build things on a computer, small problems can happen. But good learners do not panic. They stay calm, check one step at a time, and solve the problem. And that is exactly what we are going to learn today. Now let us look at our tools one by one and see what can go wrong and how we can troubleshoot it. Section 1. Problems in LM Studio. Now students, let us start with our first tool. The name of the tool is LM Studio. Do you remember what we compared it to? I heard someone say a stove. You are absolutely right. LM Studio is like the stove in our AI kitchen. If the stove is not working properly, then cooking cannot begin. The same way, if LM Studio is not ready, our AI model will also not be able to work properly. Problem 1. GPU is not disabled. Students, sometimes the AI model may start answering, but it may not work properly. And it may even stop all of a sudden. We may also get an error message on the screen like this. In such a case, there is no need to panic. We just need to check the settings. One important setting in LM Studio is disabling GPU. If this is not turned off, then the AI model may not work properly. Students, do you remember that in chapter 6, while setting up LM Studio, we first disabled, that means turned off the GPU. Even if you don't remember, that's okay. Let's do it again, together, step by step. Let us now go to our computer screen. Now first, we will open LM Studio on our computer. I know that some of you have Ubuntu operating system on your computer and some of you have Windows operating system. Don't worry students, first we will see how to open LM Studio if the operating system is Ubuntu, and then we will see how to open LM Studio if the operating system is Windows. So let us first open LM Studio on the Ubuntu operating system. To open LM Studio in the Ubuntu operating system, you have to press the Windows button on your keyboard. The Windows button looks like this. Come on, let us press it together. What happens after pressing the Windows button, students? Here, at the top you will see a search bar. We will click inside it once. Did everyone do it, students? Very good. Now we will type here LM Studio. Don't worry students, you can also type by looking at the screen. Has everyone typed it? Very good. Now, let us move ahead. As soon as you type LM Studio on your screen, the LM Studio icon will start showing up. To open LM Studio, we have to click on it once. Come on, let us click on it together. Has everyone opened LM Studio? It's okay students, you can take a little more time. Let us move ahead. Now let us see how in the Windows operating system you can open LM Studio. Students, if your computer has the Windows operating system, then your screen will look something like this. To open LM Studio, first you need to click here, at the bottom on the Windows icon. After that, you will see a search bar. You need to type LM Studio inside it. As soon as you type LM Studio, below it, the LM Studio icon will start appearing. You can click on it and open LM Studio on your Windows computer. Let us now go back to the LM Studio screen in the Ubuntu operating system. Students, what we are going to do now, we have already done these steps in chapter 6. Can you tell me what we need to do now? I heard someone say we need to go to the settings icon. You are absolutely correct. Now first, we will go to the settings icon at the bottom left side. Can everyone see the settings icon? Very good. Now we will click on it once. As soon as we click, we will see a pop-up on our screen like this. Here we need to go where it says Developer. We will click on it once. Have you clicked it, students? Very good. Now we will go to the right side, next to the developer mode. Here you will see a button like this, which will show off right now. We need to turn it on. So to turn it on, what will we do, students? We will click once on here. Let us click it. As soon as we click, you will see two new options on the left side: Runtime and Hardware. We have to click on Hardware once. Let us click it. Now on your screen, just like mine, you will see the GPU available in your system. We have to go to the right side and turn it off. To turn it off, we will click on Off once. After turning it off, we need to do one more thing. Can you see on the screen? It says Offload KV cache to GPU memory. There is a button in front of it. We have to click on it and turn it off. Let us click on it. Has everyone clicked it? Very good, students. Now, we will close this pop-up screen. To close it, we will click once on the cross icon at the top. Has everyone closed it? Very good. These settings help our AI model to run properly on our system. And if these settings are not correct, then the system may not work properly. And in some cases, an error message, that means a problem message, may appear on the screen. Problem 2. The model is not loaded. Students, now think about another situation. Let's say you wrote your prompt in VS Code and pressed enter, but nothing happened after that. Maybe no answer appears. Maybe everything looks silent on the screen. In such a situation, what should we check first? Can you tell me? I heard someone say the AI model. That is absolutely correct. The first thing to check is whether the model is loaded in LM Studio. If the AI model is not loaded, then the AI will not be able to start working. And when the AI does not work, we will not get any answer. So whenever you do not get an answer, first check whether your AI model in LM Studio is loaded properly or not. Students, now let us go back to the LM Studio screen once again. First, we need to open the developer section. Now look carefully. At the left side of the screen, can you see some icons on the left side of your screen? Now which icon we will click, students? We will click on the second icon from the top. And what is it called? It is called the developer section. Now on the left side, we will click on local server. Students, we need to make sure that local server is selected. Now students, look at the screen carefully. Do you see the button that says load model? We will click on it. As soon as we click, a pop-up screen will open below. From here, we will select Qwen 2.5 coder 7B instruct. Come on students, let us click on Qwen 2.5 coder 7B instruct. Now students, we have selected our AI model, which is Qwen 2.5 coder 7B instruct. Very good students. I am proud of you. Students, do you remember what did we learn about AI models in the last chapter? We learned that an AI model is like the brain of AI. This is the part that understands our prompt, works on it, and creates an answer for us. If the AI model is not there, then the AI will not be able to understand our prompt and it will not be able to give any answer. So we should always check it carefully. Problem 3. The server is not started. Now students, let us talk about another situation. Let's say our model has been loaded correctly, but still nothing is happening. You write your prompt in VS Code, you press enter and wait for the answer, but no answer comes. In such a situation, what could be the problem now? Do you remember what we learned about the server in the last chapter? I am seeing some confused faces. No problem, students. Let us look at this setting again. LM Studio helps in talking with VS Code. So if you are not getting an answer, the next thing to check is whether the server is started. Students, now let us go back to the LM Studio screen and see how to check whether the server is on or off. Is LM Studio open on everyone's computer? Very good. Come on, now try to remember, students. In chapter 6, we checked the server together. Can you tell me where the server status button appears? No need to hurry, students. Take your time and think. Even if you've forgotten, that's okay. Let me tell you again. Do you see a small status button at the top left? If you see the status as stopped, then we need to click on it. As soon as we click on it, it will turn on and its color will turn green. This means we have started the server. And now other apps can talk to the AI model inside the LM Studio. Students, do you remember what did we learn about the server in the last chapter? We had learned that starting the server is equal to turning the gas supply on. Now think about your AI kitchen again. If the gas supply is off, will the kitchen stove work? No. Similarly, if the server is off, then the AI will not work. So whenever you do not get an answer, always check whether the server has started or not. Now let us talk about one more important thing. Problem 4. Context length. Students, do you remember in chapter 6 we talked about context length? Very good. Now here is another question. Do you remember where the context length is in LM Studio? I heard someone say the load tab. You are absolutely right. I am proud of you. Students, look at the right side of your screen. Now we will select the load tab. Can you see the load tab, students? Look here. This is the load tab. Now let us click on it. As soon as we click, you will see some options below. You will see an option called context length. For our course, we will set the context length to 4096. If on your computer, the context length is showing something other than 4096, then you need to set it to 4096. For that, click on the box on the right side here. After clicking, on your keyboard, press Ctrl plus A. That means hold the Control button down and then press A. Now on your keyboard, press the backspace button. As soon as you press the backspace button, this box will become empty. Students, can you tell what we need to write inside this box? I heard someone say 4096. Very good, students. Let us write 4096. Students, you can also type by looking at the screen. Have you all written it? Let us move ahead. Now look at the bottom right side of the screen. Can you see this option? Reload to apply changes. Students, this will be on the bottom side of the screen. Let us click on it. Problem 5. Temperature is not set to 0. Students, sometimes AI gives us an answer, but the answer may feel a little strange or confusing. If this happens, one of the first things to check is the temperature setting. Do you remember that in the last chapter, we set the temperature to 0. We set this to 0 because we want clear answers. If the temperature is not correct, the AI may give random or confusing results. Now let us go back to the LM Studio screen and set the temperature to 0. Students, can you tell me where we need to go to set the temperature? Yes, in the Inference tab, which is right next to the Load tab. If you already remember this, then you are making great progress in our vibe coding journey, students. Now, just next to the Load tab, there is another tab called Inference. Let us click on it. Now we need to click on Settings below here. Let us click on it. After clicking, the settings box will open. Now students, can you see something called temperature here? Yes, look, it is here. We will set the temperature to 0. And for that, we will click here and drag it all the way back. When we set the temperature to 0, the AI model gives clear and simple answers. Section 2. Problems in VS Code. Now students, let us talk about VS Code. Do you remember what we compared VS Code with in the last chapter? I heard someone say the kitchen table. You are absolutely right. VS Code is like the table in our AI kitchen. This is the place where we prepare things, keep them organized, and work on our prompts before sending them to the AI. Here we write our prompts, make changes, and get everything organized and ready. Now let us see what problems we may face while working with VS Code. Problem 1. The demo.html file is not opened. Students, think about another situation. Let's say you have opened VS Code and you are ready to continue the lesson. But when you look at the screen, you cannot see the demo.html file anywhere. Then some questions may come to your mind. The question could be anything, like where did the demo.html file go? Didn't we create this file earlier? Don't worry students. Do you remember that in the last chapter, we created the demo.html file? So if you cannot see this file, it does not mean the file is gone. Often this happens because the file is not open in VS Code. Let us understand this in a better way. Students, look at your screen carefully. We will now click on File at the top once. Have you all clicked it? After this, we will click on Open File. Students, here you may see many folders and you need to click on Desktop. Students, go to your list and see if you can find Desktop. Now I will double click on desktop. Have you all clicked it too? Very good. As soon as you click on desktop, you will see all the files present on the desktop. Now look carefully, students. Can you see the demo.html file? If you can see it, then click on it once. We will go up here to open. Can you all see this on your computer screen? Look, students, here it is. Now let us click on the open button once. Have you all clicked it? Very good. See, now the demo.html file is open in VS Code. Students, always remember one thing. Just because a file exists on your computer does not mean it is open in VS Code too. VS Code can only work with files that are open at that time. If the demo.html file is not open, you will not be able to paste your code into it, and you will also not be able to save your work properly. So whenever you cannot see the demo.html file, first check whether the correct file is open or not. Many a times, this small step alone solves the whole problem. Problem 2. Forgetting to click enter. Students, sometimes it also happens that we write our prompt and then wait for the answer to come. But nothing happens. Can you tell me why this might happen? Many times, the reason is very simple. We forget to press enter or click the enter button on the keyboard. Students, this may sound like a small thing, but it is very important. Until you press enter, your prompt will not reach LM Studio. And if the prompt does not reach the LM Studio, then the AI will also not start working. So always remember this. First, write your prompt carefully. Then check once if everything is correct or not. After that, press enter on your keyboard or click the enter button. Students, the enter button looks like this. Sometimes just pressing the enter button solves everything. Now let us learn about another problem. Problem 3. Model not selected in VS Code. Students, imagine you typed the prompt in VS Code, you pressed enter, but still there is no answer. What could be the reason? It could be that we did not select the AI model in VS Code. If no model is selected in VS Code, then VS Code will not know which AI model to talk to. Now, let us go to our computer screen and check some settings in VS Code. Now students, let us open VS Code. Before opening VS Code, if LM Studio is open on your screen, we need to minimize it. To minimize it, we need to click once on the minus icon at the top. Let us click on it. Have you all minimized LM Studio, students? Very good. Do you remember that to open VS Code, what we need to do first? We need to press the Windows button. Now press the Windows button on your keyboard. Students, the Windows button looks like this. You remember it, right? Let us press it together. After pressing the Windows button, you will see a search bar at the top. We need to click inside the search bar once. Let us click inside the search bar. Have you all done it? Very good. Now what do we need to do, students? Don't worry, take a little time and try to remember. We also did this in our previous chapter, students. I heard someone say VS Code from the back. You are absolutely right. I am proud of you. Now we will type here VS Code. Don't worry, students. You can also type by looking at the screen. Have you all typed it? Very good. Let us move ahead. Look at the screen carefully, students. The VS Code icon looks like this. You have also seen it in your previous chapter, students. We need to click on it once. Let us click on it together. Now let us see how you can open VS Code on a Windows operating system. Students, if your computer has a Windows operating system, then your screen will look something like this. To open VS Code, first you need to click on the Windows icon at the bottom. After that, you will see a search bar here. Inside it, you need to type VS Code. As soon as you type VS Code, you will see the VS Code icon appear. You can click on it and open VS Code on your Windows computer. Now let us go back to the VS Code screen on the Ubuntu operating system. On the left side, you will see many icons. You need to click on this icon. Before clicking, students, do you remember the name of this icon? I heard someone say continue. You are correct, students. This is the continue extension, which we downloaded and installed in our previous chapters. Let's click on it together. Do you see this small box on the left side of our screen? This is where we will type our prompts. Can you see the name of our model here? If you cannot see the model name, or if you see a different model instead, it means the correct model has not been selected in VS Code. Students, always remember one thing. Just loading the model in LM Studio is not enough. We also need to select the same model in VS Code. Only then can VS Code send your prompt to the correct model, and only then the AI processes your prompt and gives you a response. To do this, first we will go to the prompt area in VS Code. Then click on Select Model. After that, click on Add Chat Model. After clicking this, a pop-up will appear on your screen like this. On this screen, we will click the box under Provider. After clicking the box, the list of different options will appear. Do you remember which provider we selected earlier? In our previous chapter, we selected LM Studio as the provider, and today we will do the same. Now we need to scroll down in this list and select LM Studio. To select LM Studio, simply click on it. As soon as you click, LM Studio will be selected as the provider. Students, if you are facing any issue or if any step is taking a little bit of time, you can pause the video, and once you complete the step, you can play the video again. Alright students, let's move ahead. Students, now we will check whether the model is set to auto detect or not. If you do not see Auto Detect under the model, simply click on it once and from the list, select Auto Detect. Once the model is set to Auto Detect, we will click on Connect. As soon as you click Connect, a config.yml file will open on the right side of your screen. We will click on it once and save it. To save it, you need to press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Remember students, first hold the Ctrl button and then press the S button to save it. This will save your file. Now students, how do we know whether the file is saved or not? Look here, at the bottom, a pop-up appears saying config updated. This means that the file has been saved. Now we can close this pop-up by clicking on the cross icon. Now we need to close this file. To close it, I will go to the cross icon at the top and click on it once. Have you also closed the config.yml file, students? Very good. Let's move ahead. Now, to check whether LM Studio is connected with VS Code or not, we will go to the prompt area. Here, our model Qwen 2.5 coder 7B instruct will be auto-selected. So students, always remember, LM Studio should be open, the model should be loaded, and the model should be selected in VS Code. Now let's understand the next problem. Problem 4. The prompt is not written correctly. Students, imagine you wrote a prompt, pressed enter, this time you get an answer, but it is not what you expected. It is possible that the AI did not fully understand your request. It may have generated something different, or you did not get the result you actually wanted. You may wonder, what could be the reason for this? In such situations, we often think that the AI made a mistake. But many times, the problem is not with the AI. Often, the mistake is in our own prompt. There may be a spelling mistake, or a word may be missing, or an extra word may have been added by mistake. Students, remember, AI understands exactly what we write for it. So if there is a mistake in the prompt, if important information is missing, or if the message is not clear, the result can be wrong too. What is the best solution in such situation? Read your prompt carefully once again. Check carefully whether the prompt you wrote matches the prompt shown on my screen, or if there is any difference. Fix any mistake, correct it, and then press enter on your keyboard to try again. Many times, simply fixing the prompt can completely change the result. Now AI will understand the prompt properly and give you a better response. Section 3. Problems with files and system. Problem 1. The file name is wrong. Students, do you remember how important the demo.html file is for us? We write or copy paste the code generated by VS Code into this file. Remember, the code should always be pasted into the demo.html file. But sometimes, while creating the file, we accidentally give it a different name. For example, it could be named demo1.html or demo.txt or something else. If that happens, you may face problems. The browser may not open the page properly, or it may not show your changes. So students, we must always keep the file name as demo.html. And if our file name is not demo.html, then we need to fix it. So let's go to our computer screen and see how to do this. First, we need to go to the location where we saved our file. And students, do you remember where we saved our file? I heard someone saying on the desktop. That's right. So, we need to go to the desktop. For that, if VS Code is open on your screen right now, then minimize it. To minimize it, I will click here at the top right on the minus icon once. Here is the minus icon. You also click on it. Did you click it too? Very good. Now in the same way, if LM Studio is open, then click on the minus icon at the top right and minimize it. As soon as you minimize it, we will come back to the desktop screen. Is your screen also showing the desktop like mine, students? Very good. Let's move ahead. Now on my screen, this file is visible here on the right side. Students, it may be that on your screen, this file is showing on the left side, or it may be showing in some other place. This happens because on my computer desktop, there are less files and folders, while on your computer, there may be more files and folders. So take a little time and find your demo.html file. Has everyone found the file? There is no hurry, students. You can also pause the video to find the file. And when you find the file, you can play the video again. Alright, students, let's move ahead now. Right-click on the file. Then click on Rename and change the file name to demo.html. Students, you can also type this by looking at the screen. Remember this carefully, students. You should change the file name only if your file name is something other than demo.html. Will you remember this, students? Very good. Then click on Rename. Section 4. Problems in the browser. Now students, let's talk about our last tool. Do you remember what we compared the browser to in our AI Kitchen? I heard someone say a plate. You are absolutely right. The browser is like the plate in our AI Kitchen. This is where we see our final result. So if something looks wrong here, we may think there is a mistake in the code. But many times, the solution to the problem is very simple. Students, let's say you made some changes in your demo.html file. After that, you also saved the file. But when you look at the browser, you still see the old page there. Why could this happen, students? Because the page has not been refreshed. So what should we do in this situation? We should refresh the page. For this, you can press the F5 button on your keyboard. The F5 button will be here on your keyboard. And it looks like this. You can also do this in another way. The second way is to click the reload button at the top. If you cannot see the reload button in your browser, then you can right-click on the browser screen and click on reload option. As soon as you reload the page, the browser will show you the new version of the page, and the changes you made will also start appearing. Now students, let's understand one more important point. When you write a prompt for the first time and press enter or click enter, it may take some time for the answer to come. Sometimes it may take 10 to 15 minutes. Does this mean something went wrong? No. This happens because the AI model is getting ready to start working for the first time. It is loading, getting ready, and starting its work. So students, this is the end of today's chapter. Today you not only learned about vibe coding tools, but also learned how to understand and fix problems when any issue or difficulty comes up. This is a very important skill, students, because in vibe coding and also in life, many times things do not happen in the way we expect. At such times, we should not panic. We should stay calm, check carefully, and try to find solution to the problem. And students, one more exciting thing. In the next chapter, for the first time, we will start building something together using our vibe coding tools. Don't worry, I will be with you at every step and will guide you. And now it is time for you to take a new step forward in your vibe coding journey. So I will see you in the next chapter. Till then, keep learning, keep trying, and yes, keep vibing.